In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage users in GoHighLevel. Whether you're onboarding a teammate or tightening access, this walkthrough will keep things simple. Before we begin, make sure you're in the correct sub-account and that your profile has permission to manage users. Start by opening your GoHighLevel sub-account. If you work across multiple locations, double-check you're in the right one so the new user lands in the proper workspace. Next, click Settings in the left sidebar. It's the small gear icon. Inside Settings, select My Staff, the hub for user management. Here you can see everyone who has access and what role they hold. It's also the place you'll return to later to adjust permissions or remove access as roles change. To invite someone new, click Add User. Enter their first and last name, using the format you want clients and teammates to see in calendars and conversations. Then add the user's email address. Double-check it carefully because this address receives the invitation and becomes their login. A work email tied to your domain keeps things organized. When those details look good, click Next. Now set roles and permissions. Pick the role that matches what this person needs to do, and apply the principle of least privilege. Only grant what's necessary. For example, enable conversations if they handle messages, give calendar access if they book appointments, and leave billing or automation controls off if they don't need them. Review visibility options so they only see the pipelines, locations, or reports relevant to their job. A clear, limited setup protects data and keeps the interface clean for your team. When you're satisfied, click Save. GoHighLevel creates the user and emails an invite so they can set a password and log in. You can come back to my staff anytime to fine-tune permissions as responsibilities change or to disable access when someone leaves. And that's the complete flow. Open the sub-account, go to Settings, use My Staff, add the user with their name and email, set the right permissions, and save. Follow this process each time you onboard someone to keep your account secure, organized, and ready to scale.